What's good, YouTube? It's your boy X back today with another video. Today I just want to talk a little bit about what you can do with your CPN or your credit profile once your trade lines post. Just having a good credit score does not matter. The thing that's going to separate you from everybody else is that they're going to be in debt and you're going to use your debt for leverage to make you money every single month. You do not want to work for money. You need to use an asset to work for you. Make that car be your job. Now, when you're starting out Turo, you need to choose who you want your target market to be. Do you want to market to the average day-to-day person where they need your car? Or do you want to market to the person who has disposable income and they rent your car when they want it? This can also be a way that you can obtain your dream cars. And while renting out your other cars, those cars will be paying for the car that you drive on a day-to-day basis. You need to know what you want to do before you start building out your profile. Because if you get to the end and you want to go luxury and you only put a $25,000 trade line on there, you're going to get denied for a $100,000 car. Use your credit profile as leverage to give you a leg up to start any type of business that you want to start. The three things that people will always need is food to eat, a bed to sleep on, and a car to drive. Leverage one of these three things with your credit and you will always have money coming to you every single month. You should never have to worry about bills if you build a service. Think about it like this. Everybody wants to be a rapper nowadays. Instead of trying to be a rapper just like them, you can be the one that provides the cars for their music videos. You can even use the service for yourself and use your own cars in your music videos. People get married pretty much every day out of the year. Partner with a photographer or videographer and offer them your services. You can do the same thing with Airbnbs. People spend thousands of dollars on a daily. You just have to put yourself in a place to get paid, and do not be cheap while doing anything, because if you're being cheap, then those are the only people that you're going to attract. If you get a car only because it costs $20,000, those are the clients that you're going to have. If you get a car because it costs $100,000, those are the clients you're going to have. People go to McDonald's because it's cheap. It's not healthy for you. People go to Chick-fil-A because it's actually real meat. Yeah, it might be more expensive, but what you're buying is way better for you. Believe it or not, most of the problems come with customers who do not want to spend money. So the people who only spending $30 to $50 a day, those are the people you're going to have more problems with. The people who have $1,000 to spend on one day for a Lamborghini, those are the people you want to deal with. More likely than not, you will meet doctors, lawyers, people who are flying first class, and many more high-profile individuals. If it doesn't matter to you, then you can just do whatever you want to. But always remember that the law of attraction is real. You get what you pay for. If you're looking to add trade lines to your profile or you need a CPN built for you, message me on Telegram. Anybody who sees this gets a buy one, get one free trade line. Text me the letters BOGO and I will know that you saw this message. I do have auto primaries, I have mortgage primaries, I have yacht trade lines. Pretty much anything that you need, man, just get at me. Without further ado, it's been your boy X and we out. One love.